Hi, my name is Kimberly and I'm from the office 323 in Visalia, and today we're going to be making a bird feeder. And the things you guys will need today is some seeds, peanut butter, something to spread the peanut butter with, a plate, and today we're going to be using a popsicle stick and some string. So the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna put our string through the hole and we're gonna tie it together at the very top. So it could be a big loop and you guys could hang it off a tree branch, a fence, just like so. And now we have a good area to hang it off. And now you're gonna wanna scoop up some peanut butter and then we're gonna start smearing it on top of the popsicle stick, just like so. So now, once you guys smeared on the peanut butter on your popsicle stick, it should look like this. And then we're gonna set our popsicle stick down on the plate, and we're gonna grab our seeds. Then we're gonna start sprinkling them on top of our popsicle stick. And we are putting this bird seed. Once you put it on top of the popsicle stick, you're gonna wanna dab it down onto the peanut butter so it could hold on and stick on. Now we have our bird seed feeder done. And if you guys have any extra seeds or peanut butter, make sure you guys can save it, and then whenever your bird feeder is empty, you guys can always reapply. All right, now it's ready to hang, and we decided to hang ours right here on this tree so we can enjoy the view from our window in the office. Hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do end up making one, record it and send it. We would like to see it too. All right, guys, have a good one.